Welcome to the Viscosizer TD How to Perform a Viscosity Measurement tutorial. In this air-driven viscosity example, the 96 well plate will be used with a viscosity standard sample. For more information on running viscosity measurements, please see the Viscosizer TD user training guide. Before you begin, make sure you have a clean capillary. Alongside your sample, you will also need 2 large vials filled with deionized water, 1 small vial filled with air and 1 empty waste vial. Step 1. Create the viscosity method. To do this, click the new measurement file icon, enter a new name and press save. Then click the new schedule icon. You now need to add 2 viscosity methods to your schedule. The first one will be your reference and the second your sample measurement. To do this, click on the new method icon within the schedule window. Make sure viscosity is selected from the drop-down and click accept. Repeat this once more. Step 2. Assign and load your sample. Within the Sample tab of the interactive tray in the software, right-click on well B1 and click Sample. Do the same for well C1. Next, enter a name for each of these wells. For the sample well assigned to B1, type Water Reference. For the sample well assigned to C1, type Example. Drag and drop well B1 into the reference method. You'll see the well plate number B01 in the inlet column of your reference method. Drag and drop well C1 into the sample method. You'll see the well plate number C01 in the inlet column of your sample method. Outside of the autosampler, pipette 200 microliters of your water reference into well B1 of the 96 well plate. Then pipette 200 microliters of your sample into well C1 of the 96 well plate. Cover the plate with the cap mat and use a roller to create an airtight seal. Now insert the well plate into the autosampler. The cut corner of the well plate must be aligned bottom right, with well A1 bottom left. Step 3. Assign and load your buffer vials. Within the Buffer tab of the interactive tray in the software, right-click and label Buffer Vial 2 as Rinse, Vial 3 as Dip, and Vial 5 as Run Buffer. Name the rinse and dip as deionized water, and name the run buffer as air. Drag and drop all 3 buffer vials into both the sample and reference methods. This can be done individually, one at a time, or all together by selecting all 3 vials and dragging them together. Next, load your vials filled with water into vial positions B2 and B3, and load your small vial filled with air into vial position B5 in the autosampler. Step 4. Assign and load your waste vial. Within the Waste tab of the interactive tray in the software, right-click and label Waste Vial 1 as Global Waste. Drag and drop it into both of your methods to populate them. Now load your waste vial into waste vial position 1 in the autosampler and close the tray door. Next, assign the first method as reference by clicking on the star icon at the top of the method. This should turn the reference method blue and your sample method green. Step 5. Save and run your viscosity measurement. Click the save icon, enter a schedule name and then click save. The play button will now turn green. If it does not turn green, errors can be seen by going to the Status tab and viewing the Setup checklist. Any errors are shown by a red cross. Click play and your measurement will run. This should take approximately 15 minutes. Your results are now shown in the record view.